Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Institute Rank. In this video, we will be discussing about top 5 institutes for IIT JEE preparations in your city Patna. Before beginning the video, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below. Without further delay, let us begin the video. At rank 1, we have Vidya Mandir classes. The address of the institute is 3rd floor Deep Govind Complex, West Boring Canal Road, opposite Lalita Hotel, Patna, Bihar 800008. Their contact number includes 09199426875 and the batch size is about 40 to 45 students. So you can expect 40 to 45 students in a batch here. At rank 2, we have Vidyapeeth classes. So, the address of Vidyapeeth classes includes 216 and 217, 2nd floor Grand Plaza, Dak Bungalow, Fraser Road, Patna, Bihar 800001. Their contact number includes 0844844676 and the batch size is same, that is 40 to 45 students in a batch. So, our rank 3 institute is Jupiter Coaching Classes. The address of the institute is road number 6A, opposite Monil Hicks Stadium, Rajendra Nagar, Patna, Bihar 800016. Their contact number includes 097-080-38432 and the website is www.jupiterpatna.com. Now let us discuss about the courses offered by the institute. So the very first is junior selection is there for students who are still in class 8, 9th and 10th as well. Further, Sadhak is a target batch for students who are preparing for JEE main and advanced both examinations. And at last we have Ankur batch, which is a target batch for the learners who are ready to take up a 2-year course which mainly focuses on JEE main and its advanced levels. Now, let us talk about the benefits of enrolling in this institute. The very first is, the staffs in Jupiter IIT JEE Coaching Center in Patna are very friendly to the students, so that the learning made is easier for them and doubts are resolved without any time delay. Second is, the teaching offered in the Jupiter Institute is considered to be the best of all time. Further, tests are conducted in Jupiter IIT JEE Coaching Center in every 15 days without any time delay. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have K. Singh Vision classes. The address of the institute includes near Durga Mandir, Boring Canal Road, Patna, Bihar 800013. Their contact number is 98353 and 098352 The website includes www.ksvc.in. Now let us discuss about the courses offered and the fee structure. So, courses offered here includes, very first is Lakshya, which is a 1-year program for the students who are preparing for the JEE main exams. The complete syllabus of JEE main will be taught in this course without leaving any topics behind. Rigorous training is given for the students after taking up the classes in this institute. Moreover, regular assignments and tests will be given to the students and they will also get an opportunity to write All India Test Series. In addition to all these, if you are preparing for both JEE Main and Advanced, then you can join the institute the classroom program, which is a 2-year classroom program of this institute. The very first year is called Nascent, that is NASCENT, and the second year is called Fighter. Their fee structure is like that: you have to pay rupees 77,000 for the 1-year course and rupees 1.40 lakh for 2-year course of IIT JEE exam preparation. The last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Delta Success Point. The address of the institute includes New Kunj Colony, Saket Puri near MCH Railway Crossing, Patna, Bihar 800016. Their phone number is 07903454942 and the website includes www.deltasuccesspoint.in. Now, let us talk about the courses offered in this institute. The very first is Super Target Batch for IIT along with 2 more competitive examinations. Then integrated courses for 11th, 12th, IIT and NEET. It is all 2 years program which is mostly preferred among the students. Also 4 years foundation courses for class 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th, which students will be able to prepare their best for IIT JEE examinations or board examinations as well. So these were our top 5 institutes for IIT JEE preparations in your city, Patna. I hope you have got enough knowledge regarding all these institutes and now will choose the best one for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching this video.